Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby, I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes.
Hello guys, welcome to today's all-day cleaning motivation. I hope you are happy, healthy and doing okay. Today's video is jam-packed with cleaning motivation. We are doing the laundry, we are folding clothes, we are even doing a little bit of food preparation, we are changing the sheets in the house and so much more. So I hope that you are ready to go and let's get started. Starting it all off today in the living room with this couch filled with clean clothing. You guys, I cannot keep my laundry folded and put together. Like, this is the one aspect of my life that I just cannot have under control. I feel like every time I do the laundry, pick up clothes, I put them in the couch, by the time I fold them, there is another pile that is ready to go in. It's just always a mess. And so today I have so many clothes, at least 3 loads of clothing here that I am dealing with. And then after that, we'll be heading into the bedroom to put away all of these clothing. And then we will head into changing some sheets. Please tell me, what is your favorite domestic chore to do around your house? Like, for me, I think I prefer doing the laundry over any other domestic chores that I have to do in the house. It is kind of therapy for me. I can be with my thoughts, I can watch a YouTube video while I go. It is just very peaceful and quiet, and so I really enjoy this. What is yours? What chore do you like to do? Let me know in the comments down below. working on some clothing inside here, but very soon I'll be going back into the living room to grab a few socks. And in my hand there, I was showing you guys just socks that have no companion. I swear, I don't know, socks, they just disappear from the washing machine. If you can relate to this, comment down below. Like, where do the socks go when you put them in the washer? Are they walking out or what? Because I do not understand it. I always put socks in but only get one foot of socks out of the washer, and I cannot understand why. Anyway, we are still on some laundry, and right now I am just trying to get the load of laundry from the washer and then outside to dry. If you guys did not know, I live in Japan, and in Japan washers are popular but the dryers are not popular. So the status quo is to hang your clothes outside in the sun for it to dry. So that is what I am doing right now. I'm just putting some clothing on some clothing hangers, and then I'll be going outside on my balcony to hang them up to dry. Hopefully by the time the evening comes, they will be all dried and ready to also fold again. And this is what I was telling you guys about. The minute I clear clothes from the couch, then I have more clothes that automatically gets in the couch that needs to be folded again. So it's just a never-ending pile. Okay, we're on to a new task, and that is preparing some chicken to be cooked this day for dinner. So I was filming this video on a Sunday, and on a Sunday of course we have to eat, and as Jamaicans, typically on a Sunday is the day when we normally cook the biggest meal of the week. So that is what I'm doing here. I'm just basically cleaning up some chicken. You'll also see my husband Adam joining with me because we had a lot of meat that we needed to prepare, because I do cook for lunch for the week, and I also had to prepare dinner for the specific day and maybe leftovers. So Adam will be joining us very shortly. I won't be showing you guys us cooking this day, but I promise that there will be some cook with me videos coming very soon. Adam also nicked his finger with the knife, and that is what I was laughing about right here. Adam is very funny, you guys. After this, I'll be making myself and Adam a smoothie, a little berry smoothie to keep us going throughout the day. Then we are going to be picking up around the kitchen, and then we are heading into the bedroom to change some bed linens. If you are working alongside me, keep going. We are getting things done. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you like this kind of content. It lets me know that you enjoy seeing these types of video. It also helps YouTube know that you like seeing these videos, and it does help me out a lot, so thank you so much.
I'm acting surprised, but I know I'm not over you. Keep missing our fights, even though they're so overdue. We had a fire, now we're watching it burn low. Isn't it time we go our separate ways? Not enough time, not enough time. I'm falling behind, I hate to separate my body and mind, my body and mind. You feel like demons in my mind, demons in my mind. You taste like demons in my mind, demons pushing all my triggers. Losing my pride, but I guess that's what love do to people like us, struggling to come through. We had a fight.
Also, big shout out to my husband for helping me tackle this day and helping me cook and clean up around the house as well.
Isn't it time we go our separate ways? Not enough time, not enough time. I'm falling behind, I hate to separate my body and mind, my body and mind. You feel like demons in my mind, demons in my mind. You taste like demons in my mind, demons pushing all my triggers.
It is now time to tackle the bed sheets in the house, and this is the worst domestic chore for me. I hate changing my sheets, simply because getting the duvet insert into the duvet cover, oh my goodness, it takes so much effort. I did learn a trick to make it easier, especially if it's only one person doing it, but still it just takes so much time to change sheets on my bed. I don't know, am I the only one who struggles with changing the sheets and feel as if it takes forever to get a new set of sheets on? Comment down below and let me know that I'm not alone, you guys. I despise this aspect of homemaking.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego.
I did make the decision to not put a duvet on the bed this time, since it was the middle of summer anyway and we were practically burning in the house, because again in Japan we do not have central venting units, so the heat or the air does not spread throughout the house. And in this room, the master bedroom, it does get very hot in the summer and it does get very cold in the winter because the air con is just focused in one area of the house. So I decided to just fold up the duvet, put it inside of the closet and forget about it for the rest of the summer, and it has been a game changer. We have been cooled down in the house. So now we are just dusting off some surfaces here in the room. I do have some sinus issues, and so if the house gets even a little dusty, I start sneezing and I get sick very easily. So I'm just trying to keep on top of ensuring that the place is dust free, especially where I am chilling most of the time, which is definitely in the bed because I am 6 months pregnant right now when I'm filming this video, and all the rest I can get is very beneficial to every part of my body.
Oh, here it goes, here it goes, here it goes. Oh, here it goes, oh, here it goes, oh, here it goes, here it goes, here it goes. With his humble lack and everlasting ego. Someone hurt your feelings not that long ago. Every bit of you couldn't face the truth that maybe you're just not that nice and humble kind. That would be a lie. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lack and everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes.
We are wrapping up inside the bedroom with just some sweeping, and then we will head into the living room to pick up inside there, and then we'll get to organizing some shoes. If you guys are enjoying this cleaning motivation so far, be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, and if you like this kind of content, of course subscribe to the channel for more content like this. I would greatly appreciate it.
We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. Don't know if I can decipher how your mind works. Yeah, you leave me wondering what it's like to feel your skin. I will keep on trying till you give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more. You leave me hanging, begging for more. Think that I'm addicted to this, can't resist to be a little risky and go for it, cause I want you close. I'm so exposed when you're keeping me wondering. You know I'd do anything to be in your arms again. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more. Talking to you, and here we go again. Staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. I just wanna let you know I could go for this, no more tricks. We could take things slow. Say you think about it too. When the lights go out and there's no doubt that I should be with that I should be. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. So give me a sign, give me a sign. Oh baby, just give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more talking to you and here we go again. Staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign. Yeah, give me a sign. Yeah, give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Give me a sign. Just give me one more. Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth.
We are in the final 4 to 5 minutes of today's all day clean with me video, and I am finishing off things by organizing the shoes in the Genkang, that's the shoe closet area in Japan. This is what we do. We have to leave our shoes at the front of the house, which is so nice. And I am just organizing the shoes inside the closet because it does get a little messy. And then to finish off the video, I will be tackling my office and just picking up a few things inside there, wiping down the surfaces to get rid of dust. And then that will be it for today's clean with me video. I hope you guys also managed to get some things done around your house while you were working alongside me. Or if not, if you were just chilling in bed while watching me clean, absolutely no problem. I hope that I have given you the motivation to get up and start doing something that you need to get done, but you just needed some motivation to get going. If you guys did enjoy today's cleaning motivation, of course, give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this and hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post a video. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Feeling this pain when there should be two of us. And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy and you don't know. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? The only one that's left in the rain. Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy and you don't. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? I guess I'm gonna stay, but I'm just gonna wait in the background, watching you talk to her. I know this might look bad, but I'm just gonna melt in the background, watching you lean into her. I'm a fool
thinking aloud, I'm wondering about you, eh?
Wow! Wow! So excited. Ah, you're so strong.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought it's time.
Hey guys, welcome to today's video. It's your girl Nats, and I hope everyone is happy, healthy, and doing okay. Today's video, we are getting it all done. It has been so long since I filmed one of these videos, but since it's the weekend and Adam is at home, Adam is my husband if you're new, and he is spending majority of the time with baby Aiden today, I figured might as well I pick up the house because it's been a struggle to keep the house clean. I am currently 12 weeks postpartum while I'm filming this video, so you can imagine it's been a hot mess around here for majority of the time. But today I feel, you know, a little energized, and I'm thinking might as well pick up the house a bit. I have some laundry to fold, laundry to, you know, wash. I have the kitchen to tidy up, and yeah, I just figured I will take you guys along with me while I do that today. If you are new, hello, my name is Natay. I am a new mama of my sweet little precious 12-week-old baby boy. His name is Aiden, and over here I do mommy content, mommy vlogs, and homemaking videos like clean with me and all that stuff. So if that is up your alley, of course, please consider subscribing. And of course, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. It helps out the channel so much. But without further ado, let's get to some cleaning. So if you have some stuff to do, let's knock out our to-do list together. So let's go! Ikimasho!
On the run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. That's where
Alright, Nats fam, we are starting today with the humongous pile of laundry that is everywhere right now, as you can see on your screen. I swear the laundry in my house is never ending. Leave a comment down below if it is like that in your household too. Like, are you constantly doing laundry? Because for me, if I don't do a load of laundry in the washing machine every single day, it piles up and then it gets super overwhelming. So at this point, I had to be folding clothes for 3 people because you were almost at that stage where no one had clothes to wear in drawers. So this needed to get done. So we'll be here for a little while. So grab your pile of laundry and let's fold together.
Got me
done with the laundry here, and you are going to see little bits of pieces of Aiden popping in here and there for his little breastfeeding session and just hanging out with his dad. So of course, if you're working alongside me and you want to see the cute little squishy baby, take a minute to like look at your screen a little bit when you know he appears. I cannot believe he is like so grown already. Aiden, hello. Hello, sleepy boy. You hungry? Huh? How come when your daddy wake you up, you don't cry, and when me wake you up, you scream? Oh, there it is. Okay, let's feed you. Let's get you some food. I feel as if that was like a marathon, but the good thing is that I managed to fold all the laundry. The stuff that you guys see there in the couch, those are what goes into Adam's closet. So he's in charge of, you know, hanging up his stuff. So I put them there, he's gonna get them. But all the laundry in the house is folded and where they're supposed to be. And then I have another load of laundry going. Like it's a constant thing, you guys. Like domestic chores never ends, especially with a third person. Like you find that I always have laundry to do. It's never ending. But I'm going to take a break from that list, feed the baby, and give him back to dad. Aiden, good.
Cool. What to do?
Is it? Hey. You hungry? Was that a good sleep?
That was a win-win-win sleep.
Oh, Aiden, you feel wet.
I'm so tired of it, man.
Alright guys, so the day is kind of getting away from me. I am hungry and I have not yet eaten lunch. And to be honest, I don't have the time to make anything because the kitchen is a mess. I need to clean that up. So I'm going to go out of my way to actually order some food here. What type of food to order? Was trying to stay away. Oh my god, Adam, you're never going to believe which restaurant is on Uber Eats. No, Caesarea. What? Oh my gosh, you guys, like Caesarea, I have been dying to see Caesarea on Uber Eats. Like they have taken so damn long to get their asses on Uber Eats. Like wow. Oh my god. If you're wondering why I'm so excited, like Caesarea is our favorite restaurant here in Japan. And I am going to have such a good time ordering Caesarea for lunch because I'm happy, man. Wow. Wow. I'm so excited. Alright, let's see. I want the chicken wings. I want the Doria. I want the focaccia bread. Like, I want everything, dog. Alright, guys. If nothing else made my day, like seeing Caesarea on Uber Eats, it definitely did. So, I sent in the order. And then, while that is making its way to me, I'm going to finish this, get it all done. I need to order groceries at some point today. Hopefully, I can get it delivered today or maybe early tomorrow morning. But let me just finish tidying up the place, and then we're going to hop into the kitchen to tidy up that. Aiden and Daddy is having playtime in there.
What?
I swear only Adam can get Aiden to like tummy time, because whenever I do it with him, he's not having it, guys. Alright, I swear I hate to talk over the music in my videos because I feel as if the music brings out, you know, the extra motivation that we need to push through all of the cleaning and all of that. So now we are on to the living room area. We're sweeping, we are brushing, we are dusting, we are tidying the couch, and we are trying to just get it all done today. If you're working alongside me, you got this, we got this. Let's push through. Can I have some?
No.
Guys, it's daddy time. And let's be honest, I'm so happy that I can just focus on anything else other than, you know, entertaining Aiden. Like, I love my son, you guys, but having been with him every day, all day, for 5 days straight, like, at some point I need to just be, you know. So it's nice that Daddy can entertain him while I try to get something around the house.
Every time you walk away from me, I want you. How could I want you more? Or when did I lose my perspective? Oh God, have I lost it? But my cravings for you so shameless, can't get enough. I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, telling you that I need you.
Aiden! Aiden, good! Look at you! Oh wow! You're so strong! Oh, Aiden, I'm so proud of you! Oh my goodness, look at that head! Watch this. This man now come back.
You have to maneuver the camera. Me can't interrupt him too many times, you know.
Aiden!
You have to catch from the angle what you need.
Good job, buddy! Wow!
I lost you, yeah I lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. I've lost you, I've lost you, I keep on looking for you.
Alright, so dishes are finally done, and then we are on to just putting some of the dirty baby items that I have. So stuff like pacifiers, nose aspirators, a few little things here and there that Aiden has been using that I need to wash and sterilize. That is what I'm putting here into the stainless steel container. I'm going to be washing them, and then I will be putting them into the Medela microwavable steam bags, and then I'm going to be steaming those, sanitizing them, or is it sterilizing them, and then we will be continuing on with some tidying up of Aiden's room. So for the nursery, it is almost done. As a matter of fact, the only thing that is left to get inside this nursery is the crib when I was filming this video. But as of now, as I'm recording this voiceover, it has been a while since this video was filmed and we have not gotten the crib. So let me know down in the comments below if you would like to see, like, you know, the updated nursery kind of reveal, kind of tour situation, because I remember when I was pregnant, I did show you guys what we did in the nursery, and since then a lot of things have changed inside there. We've got a lot of new, like, furniture and stuff like that. So let me know if you are interested in seeing what the nursery looks like today, and I will film that video for you. Now we're on to, like, one of my very favorite songs, so you will not hear me talking over this song. Enjoy the song, enjoy the cleaning motivation, and continue on. We are almost done.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby, I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble and everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. Someone hurt your feelings not that long ago, and every bit of you couldn't face the truth that maybe you're just not that nice and humble kind. That would be a lie. Go on, blow up your...
Alright, so we are on to the changing table right here, and I'm just doing like a quick tidying up. I am refilling the night basket that we keep in our bedroom with Pampers. And do people say Pampers, or is it a Jamaican thing? I swear it's a Jamaican thing. We call diapers Pampers because of the brand Pampers. It's weird, but anyway, I am restocking diapers in this night caddy that we keep in our room just in case we need to do any overnight diaper changes. We do not have to take it and out of the room and into like the nursery. And then I'm just going to be doing a quick tidy up of the little organizers on the side of the changing table where we keep like his lotion and diaper cream and stuff like that, because things get easily misplaced and thrown into these organizers because we use it so much every day. So that is what we are up to. After that, we are going to be heading into the bedroom to get the bed made and straighten in the bedroom.
I'm gonna stay, but I'm just gonna wait in the background, watching you talk to her. I know this might look bad, but I'm just gonna melt in the background, watching you lean into her. I'm a fool, I just wanna get close to you. Yeah, I wanna get close. I'm a fool, I know. Are you thinking about us too? 'Cause I don't know. Are you missing it just like I do? Are you worried about me too? 'Cause I'm thinking aloud, I'm wondering about you, eh? I don't even know what it feels like when your eyes are staring at me. I miss them. I'm about to lose it. All of my friends telling me to leave for the night. It's for the best. I'm a fool, I just wanna get close to you. Yeah, I wanna get close. I'm a fool, I know. Are you thinking about us too? Are you missing it just like I do? Are you worried about me too? 'Cause I'm thinking aloud, I'm wondering about you, eh? About you, baby. Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth.
I'm not sure if I mentioned this in the beginning of the video, but this video was filmed over 2 days, and this portion was filmed on the second day. So of course we live in the house, and even though it was cleaned yesterday, we still have to re-clean the areas that we just did yesterday. So that is why you are seeing me back in the living room, trying to straighten, trying to sweep, washing more dishes. Guys, domestic duties never ends. Like, whether you are a single person, a married person, a mom, not a mom, it doesn't matter. Like, domestic chores never end. And so I am giving you a big shout out. You are doing an awesome job, mom or not, single or not, you are doing great. We are almost at the end of today's video, so let us power on through.
I know that I'm obvious, yet I'm made this way, but why didn't I stay when I had the
Let me know in the comments down below if you enjoyed today's video. Let me know if cleaning videos are some of your favorite videos to see from me, so I can continue to make more, to give you some motivation to pick up your house and to do all the things. But let's finish off strong. We are almost done. You are doing so great.
on to. Ooh. Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy and you don't. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? The only one that's left in the rain. Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Ooh. Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy and you don't. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? We've been here too long. I can't breathe, I can't take it slow. We're far away from home, but I can't wait to get you under my skin and right back to where we've been. Oh, nah, nah. Give me a sign and tell me when to begin. Cause every time we leave I'm longing back to the place where the lights go down. Just you and I leaving out the rest. Oh, so that I need is you in my bed. Give me a sign of it in your head. Lonely together at its best.
Alright, you guys, and that is going to be the end of today's Get It All Done With Me video. We did conquer a lot over 2 days because yesterday, like I was telling you, was crazy, so I didn't get to finish everything. But the house is picked up. The floors need a very deep clean, but I'm going to save that for another day. And I am going to get myself some lunch. It is 3 p.m. right now. Baby is sleeping with or on dad, and I'm going to get myself a quick lunch before we gotta wake him up to eat again. But yeah, I'm very happy with what we have managed to accomplish. I'm very happy with what we have managed to accomplish this over the past 2 days. And yeah, I'm excited to be back
filming videos. I'm still trying to figure out, you know, the mom life work balance, but yeah, I promise more videos are coming soon. So if you did enjoy today's Get It All Done With Me, of course leave the video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below and hit the notification bell to be notified every time I post a video. Also, if you got anything done alongside me today, leave me a comment down in the comment box below and tell me what you did. Like, what did you get done over the course of watching this video, getting it all done with me? Let me know in the comments down below. But until next time, bye guys.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights.
For dresser drawer storage situation, on top this is the
Part of me that knew that it's still uncaught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down.
Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to day 2 of this declutter and organize and clean with me video. Today we are on day 2 and we are going to be tackling my office and also finishing up Adam's office. As you would have seen in episode 1, I really got deep down into Adam's office, decluttering, reorganizing stuff, and the only thing I have left to do in his office is really to just straighten, dust, wipe down surfaces and sweep it out, and then we'll be good. But before I get into that, what I want to do is to tackle my office, which will be for right now a shared space between me and the baby. It will be part office, part nursery. That is what I have in mind now. Of course, when the baby comes, or even when the baby is closer to being here, I may change my mind, but for right now I am thinking I'll be sharing the office with the baby, because for the first couple of months baby will be in our bedroom, so it really doesn't matter if my office stays right in here right away. But we will see as time goes on. To be honest, it is a mess in here, so I need to declutter everything. I'm going to turn the camera around so you guys can see exactly what my plans are, and then we'll get to working. Okay, so right now this is what is going on inside my office. As you can see, my work area is a mess. There's so many things over there. I have my makeup stuff over there, and all of this stuff is for baby flex. Right now everything is in boxes because we have not yet started setting up anything, because I just need to get this room in order. This is the basket that I'll be working with today to put some of my stuff that I'll be decluttering. And then basically the vision is to have baby flex's crib or bassinet here, and then a changing station there. And I think that is all we will be doing for a nursery per se here in Japan, simply because we do not plan to stay in Japan. We are planning to leave Japan at least next year end, and so creating a full-on nursery where I am spending money to get wallpaper and decorate 100% how I would want to decorate the baby's nursery is just not a financially wise decision right now. So we're just going to go with the basics, since we will be leaving Japan soon. And then once we move into another place in the country where we plan to settle forever, hopefully, then I can go overboard with the vision I have for his room. So I am not going to think about getting an Pinterest worthy nursery right now. So for the space, it is a crib and a changing station and his clothes storage. So crib over here, changing table against there, and then for his clothes I'm going to be transforming my office closet into his clothes storage. So basically all of this stuff has to come out of this space, because this will be baby flex's clothing storage. So right now I have just a bunch of my office equipment here. I have all of my manicure and pedicure stuff here, office equipment like, you know, camera stuff, tripod stuff, but there like wallpapers and boxes and like tripods. Here I have a bunch of just random things, phone cases, all of that stuff. Here is where I keep all of Baby Flex's documents and all of that. And then under here, these are going to be Baby Flex's drawers. As I said, I'm not trying to do anything fancy by getting like a dresser or anything. I just bought these cheap plastic drawers because, as I said, we're not staying here long, so it really doesn't matter. And then under here, I kind of cleared out under here. So my suitcases were under here before, and this is where I'd normally put my work bag. So that's the bag I bring to work. And because this is my office space, usually I would just come in here, put my bag down and all of that stuff, but I'll have to find a new room for that because all of this area is going to be for Baby Flex. So we need to clean out all of this area and then all of that area. But the vision for under here is to store like his stroller, his like extra pampers, extra wipes, stuff like that, and like the bigger furnitures that, you know, we don't use all the time, but we want a place that we can easily grab them. That is what here is going to be. And then up here I'm going to be arranging all of his dresser and make this a nice little cute closet. All right, so that is what we're going to be doing. But first things first, we have to, of course, declutter all of this, and I'm going to be decluttering all of this and putting it into this thing right here that you guys will see once I set you guys up on the tripod. So that is what we'll be doing inside this room. And then of course at the end of this, we'll just brush up in Adam's office, and then that will be episode 2 of this series. So let's get to work. If you have somewhere to declutter or organize in your house, the timer is about to be set. Get up, let's get moving.
We've been here too long. I can't breathe, I can't take it slow. We're far away from home, but I can't wait to get you under my skin and right back to where we've been. Sign and tell me when to begin. Cause every time we leave I'm longing back to the place where the lights go down. Just you and I leaving out the rest. Oh, so that I need is you in my bed. Give me a sign, know that in your head. Lonely together at its best. Oh, let me know now. Let me know now.
You guys, I found this sweet note that Adam wrote me some time ago, I guess, when it was a busy period in our life. It says, things have been so fast and hectic lately. Just want to slow down for a minute to say I love you. Oh, Adam. You see, and it's things like that that makes it difficult for me to declutter, because obviously I don't need to keep that, but then a part of me wants to keep it, you know. Another thing that is hard for me to get rid of, you guys, is manuals for things that I'm using. So for example, this is a manual for like the mic that I'm using on my camera, and I'm just here wondering if I should be getting rid of the manual just in case I need to troubleshoot something, you know. Instead of like buying a new one, I could visit the manual. But yeah, I think I'm just going to get rid of it anyway. Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of it, but I'm going to save this piece that is supposed to be connected if I want to use my phone with the mic.
A sign and tell me when to begin. Oh yeah. Let me know now. Let me know now, now, now. Give me a sign. Let me know now, now, now. Let me know now.
The office was definitely easier than I thought it would have been to declutter, simply because I didn't really have a lot of stuff, and then I knew exactly what I wanted to throw out and what I needed to keep, so it was very easy.
Let me know now.
In this video, I am allowing you guys to enjoy the beautiful music that I have picked out for you to enjoy while we clean together. Simply because I did this video more of a vlog style, and so I do talk a lot and explain what I am doing. Therefore, there is no need for me to voice over. So just know that I am here and I will pop in if necessary.
It wouldn't matter if I'm gone by now. All my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head, don't feel my spark between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving. In the heat from a hot California. I forgot how you look.
Wow, baby, huh? Wow. Okay, friends, I have made some progress inside of this room. You know, it always looks messier before it gets cleaner, but the main area was focusing on clearing out here so I can, you know, envision what I want to have done. So we've made some progress. The dresser drawers are in these. This is where his clothes are going to go, and then on top I'm thinking I'm going to do like some baskets to hold other stuff. I have written down exactly how I want this area to be organized, what drawers what is going to go into, and like for the top storage there, I know what I'm going to be placing up there. And then I'm thinking I'm going to be putting some tension rods across there to create like a hanger situation where I can hang his clothes that are not going to be, you know, folded and put in here. And then down here is cleared out for, of course, the diapers and wipes. And maybe once we set up his stroller, we can also store it under here for easy access. You guys saw me putting in this wallpaper. Now, yes, it is pink wallpaper, but the thing is, I do not need to spend money to buy a blue wallpaper because really and truly this does not matter. It's just a matter of I had pink wallpaper there, and I have this marble one also that I used like on my desk and stuff like that. But this one is not big enough or long enough to put. The pink one is, so I just put it down here so that, you know, it's not bored. If you're working with me today, I hope that everything is going well and you are getting the job done. If you need to take a water break, a bathroom break, go on, grab yourself a snack, grab yourself some water, and then we'll get back to working.
Like in rain, that's why I never thought it would matter if I'm gone by now. All my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like a pretend.
not sure if this is only me, but when I am organizing stuff, it takes me a while to really find a layout that I like. So you will find that I move things around a lot to kind of envision and get the exact look that I am going for. If you are like this, please comment down below and let me know that I am not alone. Do you organize right from the get-go, and whatever way it is set in the first round, that is how you leave it, or do you play around to get a vibe that really suits you?
I'm buzzing, let's drink up. Your death look like big fun. Come on, let's get it on. Like that Marvin Gaye song. I'm stunning, you love it. Come on, give me something. I know that you want it. Come on, give me something. The night is young and so are we. So maybe you should leave with me. The night is young and so are we.
Hi. Say hi to the vlog. Well, it's not a vlog, but you know, say hi.
Better go yard, you know. You understand me? Better you go your yard right now. Go your yard, go home. Time to go home.
Is work making you delirious?
You not tired? Go home.
Oh my goodness, what's this? Work has made Adam a madman. For my non-Jamaican viewers, Adam was saying, go home. Aren't you tired? I don't know where that came from, but you know, it is what he said. But let's get back to finishing this place before ending the video.
Keep on dancing all night. Give it to me, baby, all night. Give it to me, baby, all night. We can keep on dancing all night. Give it to me, baby, all night. You love me right. If you love me right, if you love me right, yeah. This could be the summer of our lives now, honey. Give it to me like you know you should now, baby. This could be the summer of our lives, the summer of our lives. Give it to me, baby, all night. We can keep on dancing all night. Give it to me, baby, all night. Give it to me, baby, all night. We can keep on dancing all night. Give it to me, baby, all night.
Okay, you guys, so we made so much progress inside this room today. It looks way much better than how we started out. My desk area is organized, cleaned, surfaces wiped down, bookshelf nice and clean, my vanity area is clean, and all the stuff that was right here are now inside the baby closet right here. As for my ring light, it is not going to be staying inside this room, but I am not sure where I'm going to store it. I'll probably end up storing it in Adam's office or amongst his equipment that are already like standing. But for right now, until we sort that out, it's going to stay here. That is the baby's bassinet, and that is his hamper, which as soon as we're ready to start setting up stuff, then I will see how we're going to do this. As of right now, I am waiting to buy the changing table area, which is going to go against that wall, and then hopefully the bassinet will be in that, well, not the bassinet, the hamper will be in that corner, and then the bassinet along this wall, and then this area, this little L shape, will be the baby's little nook, and I think that will work. And also his closet right here too will work. So we did a little bit of organizing here. His 4 dresser drawer storage situation on top. This is the idea that I have. I won't be using these exact baskets, but since I have them free, I decided to outline them there, so I have the vision of exactly what I'm thinking and going for, and then I'll be organizing stuff up there. Of course, that kind of organization will be in another video when we are focusing directly on the nursery situation, but for now this is what we have. And then down here right now is holding all of the stuff that we are getting and buying for baby right now. Some of the stuff we've gotten as gifts of our baby registry, some of them we bought for ourselves, but basically instead of having everything just scattered out here, I decided to use this space to hold it. So that's his stroller right there, lounger, his bath around there, and some other like bottles and pillows and stuff like that. But moving forward, under here will be storage for diapers, wipes, just extra stuff like that. And once we set up the stroller, if it can fit in there for a place to store it when we are not using it, then I would love for it to go under there, because to be honest, there is nowhere else in the house to have a stroller right now. So I'm hoping that once it's fitted, we can even set it sideways as it is lying in the box right now in there. So this is the storage situation that we got. Up here is, it still remains as, you know, storage area for the suitcases and stuff. I am super glad with how this room turned out, especially for the office closet. I am glad that, you know, I could sort it out and there is a place for his clothes to go and all of that stuff, and we are not like super stressed out about space or anything. As I said, maybe in the future Adam and I will end up sharing an office depending on how things go, but for right now this is the setup, and you know, I'm fine with it. So right now I'm going to just hop back into Adam's office to complete what we were doing last night, which you would have seen in episode 1 of this video. This video will be episode 2, but we're just going to finish tying that office space together, and then we call this video the end. Basically, we did such a good job yesterday in terms of cleaning this and decluttering it. It feels so much lighter inside here, but of course there are little messes here and there that we need to tie up. This thing is going to be living inside of the closet down there, so we need to do that, tie up this office, and then we can say job well done.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh na na na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess
Office is finally complete. The only thing I need to move is the glass cleaner right there, but basically everything in this office is organized. We changed this around These stuff we're going to be shipping to friends. These are some Japanese books that Adam was using to practice and learn Japanese. Adam's desk, I mean, a workspace is always going to be messy because when I was cleaning, his laptop and the additional headphone was not there. But now it is because it's a desk. We live in here. Therefore, the desk is going to look as if it's a work desk. But nonetheless, everything else is clean. The piano is clean, or the keyboard I should say is clean. This is Adam's little filming station right here with his green screen and his equipment. I know that is a light. I think this is a slider or something. I just neatly put them together there because they were like scattered. So now there is more open space. And of course, the big star of the show was this closet, especially the bottom part. So this is what we have working with. Everything is now organized under here. So let me bring you down low. So here is just our work bag. So whenever we come in from work, we would just put our bags right here. This basket you guys saw me organize, and in this is some camera equipment and just some miscellaneous items that I use from time to time, like phone cases and stuff like that. Up here on the top is Adam's raincoat for work. This is a black screen, similar to the green screen Adam would normally put to this corner when he's doing his type of filming stuff. Behind here is just some storage of memorabilia, just some stuff from students when we change schools and stuff that we want to keep there. Here we have our space heaters for when it is winter time. We have two because obviously we are going to be having a baby this winter, so we will need an extra one to warm up the baby's room. And then we have the iron board behind here, but let me go from the other side so you guys can see. Alright, so on this side, excluding this bag of clothes that we're going to be donating, so this bag of clothes right here are clothes that Adam no longer needs. And then this is basically how the other side will look. We have the iron board there, the iron on top of the drawer down there. Here is Adam's toolbox, and I just have the steamer. This is a clothes steamer line right here, but this is the toolbox where we can find like batteries, nails, stuff like that here. And then this bag hosts our futon. It's an extra futon for if we have visitors over and they're sleeping over. The futon is basically a Japanese style bed that goes on the floor, and then our guests can sleep. And then below there is like a drawer that has other miscellaneous. I'm out of breath. Oh, we did organize his clothes as well. Down here looks way better. Let me show you guys. Way better. I organized his, you know, self-care products, winter gloves and stuff at the back. Here is just like his watches and other stuff that he wears when he's going out. In here we have some winter coats. Here we're going to store his belts, and then down there we have like his socks and extra shirts that he wears. And then up here his work clothes and suit. We did a pretty good job at decluttering and organizing the two rooms. The baby now has space to live, and Adam's office is organized, and especially the bottom part of his closet is now organized, and we do not have a lot of junk. So I am very proud of that. Of course, I showed you guys inside of my office and how that turned out already. So this is the end of episode 2 of this organizing and decluttering with me series. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, one, and I also hope that you are able to get some motivation from all of this cleaning and decluttering and do some work in your own home. If you enjoyed it, of course, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.
getting ready. Let me be honest, I don't know one single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me.
Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I hope you are happy, healthy, and doing okay. Today's video is going to be a part 1 of what I think is a 3-part series of me decluttering parts of my home to get it ready for baby to arrive. The house just has too much clutter everywhere, and I decided that I was going to do an extreme declutter and organize with me. And the first room that is up for this project is my husband's Adam's office. As you can see, it is a mess in the room, especially the bottom half of the closet, because it has become just a catch-all zone for everything. And so I decided to start in this room first. I hope this video brings you some cleaning motivation, some organizing motivation, and some decluttering motivation. We all have somewhere, some drawer, some closet in our house that would need a good little look over and a good little touching up and organizing. So I hope that this video can give you that motivation to get some decluttering done in your own home. As you are watching, be sure to subscribe and click the like button while you watch. It really helps to support me, and I really do appreciate it.
There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me.
So we are going to be starting off by cleaning out the entire bottom half of the closet, getting every single thing out of it, and then afterwards we will be going through everything together and deciding on what to keep and what will be going in the trash can. I'm also pregnant, so it really took me a hot minute to get everything done because I move so slow these days. But nonetheless, we got it done, and that is all we require. Once it gets done, it doesn't matter how fast it gets done, right?
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat, yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words, no more, no. I got so high on a low, that's when I love you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words, no more, no.
All empty and ready to start going through all of this mess to figure out what we will be storing and what we will be throwing away. My husband Adam was not at home this day. He was at work. It was my day off. So I also had to separate some of his stuff, like the things that I did not know if he needed. Since as this was his office, I did not want to just make a drastic decision to get rid of stuff without his permission. And I did not want to bother him with 3 million text messages asking him if we should keep this. So I decided to store them away in a box so that when he comes in, he could go through it and then we could declutter that.
This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I love you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. No, no. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. No, no. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. But now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I love you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. But now, no, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. No, no. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. No, no. Yeah.
Of course, we have to chug water as we go along because the pregnancy thirst, oh my god, you guys, I am forever dying of thirst. So I had to take a break and stop to drink some water. So this is my reminder to you right now. If you are working alongside me, stop for a second, go grab yourself some water or some hydration of your choice. Drink some of that and then let's tackle the rest of the room.
Where are you heading?
As you can see, my husband has a gazillion types of cords and screws and nails and all of that stuff, and all of them were just thrown into what we call a toolbox, not really organized or anything. So I'm just going through all of this, trying to figure out batteries that are not good anymore, not useful anymore, and trying to kind of organize stuff into a more practical way.
Found myself in between the lines, underneath your bed sheets. It started fun, but now I'm into deep into this flow. A zero-sum game that I will lose. There's no zipping past it. Every time you walk away from me, I want you. How could I want you more? Or when did I lose my perspective? Oh God, have I lost it? But my cravings for you so shameless, can't get enough. I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. I'm like an outcast from pillar to post. There's no denial, I'm chasing ghosts. I'm like an outcast from pillar to post, hitting you up but I'm stuck on hold. Is it really a bad reception out there?
And I have a question for you guys. Do you declutter your home on a regular basis, or do you tend to declutter only on big holidays? So for example, springtime, you do a spring cleaning and that is when you would do a massive declutter, or Christmas time. Let me know in the comments down below how you declutter your home and how often.
Telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. I've lost you, I keep on looking for you.
We are onto the clothes right now in this section, and here I am just reorganizing my husband's clothes. And I tend to not interfere with my husband's closet, but some of the time it drives me nuts to see all of the clothes everywhere all over the closet. And so I decided that I was going to just tackle some of his clothes in here. As you can see, it's a mess inside there, so I was clearing out some of the things I knew that he was not wearing right now, such as some heavy jackets and stuff like that that he would tend to wear in the winter, and hanging up some of those, and then folding some of the clothes that are just thrown down in there, while organizing some of his personal hygiene stuff like razors, combs, stuff like that.
On a run from a given disaster, speed away from the holy.
Another question that I have for you guys: do you interfere with your husband's stuff, like their clothes, their combs and razors and all of that? Do you organize that stuff for your husband, or do you allow your husband to have the handle on that? For me, I do not go into Adam's closet. I try to stay away from his office because that is his space, and I allow him to do whatever he wants. But some of the times, cords everywhere drive me crazy, and just unorganization drives me crazy, so I do tend to go in some of the times and just tidy things up a bit.
As my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack, just me and all the red lights, keep on driving and driving. In the heat from a hot California, I forgot how you looked like in rain. I swear I never thought it would matter if I'm gone by now. All my weakness keep on linger on repeat, like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road to never end. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack, just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
Moving on to the bookshelves right here, I am just decluttering out some books that I know Adam does not use or is not using anymore, and I am dusting and wiping down the area to reorganize and straighten that area up. If you're working alongside me, keep going, we got this.
All the memories just lingers on repeat like it is never.
And as usual, when you are cleaning up big messes, it always looks worse before it looks better.
But you got me good, oh, you got me good.
And this is the pregnant lady stretch. Alright, and if you are working alongside me, we are officially at the halfway mark of this video, which means we have about 15 to 16 minutes to get our decluttering and organizing and cleaning done. Let's push through. We got this. I'll be playing some nice music here for you guys to listen to while we finish up the cleaning.
Had a feeling you'd come back and save me from all those lonely nights and heartbreaks.
Alright, okay, so I think I made good progress inside the office for today. I'm going to stop now because I can feel my back starting to hurt and I am pregnant, so I do not want to overwork myself all in one day, but I think I've made good progress. The floor is mostly clean, and even though there are a lot of things here, they're all in different sections. So right over there are some hangers. I'm going to ask Adam if he needs them or we should be like donating them. That is the living room carpet that I'm going to be putting back in the living room, so that is good. Over here are the piles of stuff that I really didn't know if I should get away. So these two containers, I didn't know if the stuff in them, you know, are important to Adam, and I do not want to just throw them away just in case he needs them. So I put two piles there so that he can go through and, you know, keep what he needs, and we'll find a home for it, and then we'll dispose of what we don't need. In this bag here are some extra cords that I'm sure he needs, so he just needs to tell me what they are so I can find a home for them. This is trash right here. That bag, I want to ask him if he wants to arrange those clothes, because the clothes that you are seeing right there beside the pink camera, those are really heavier jackets. And the problem that we've been having with this closet is that because Adam's clothes are so heavy, like the jackets and the three-piece suits, this tension rod up here, it always falls down after maybe 2 months because of the, I guess, the weight of all of his jackets and stuff. So he had to take them down, but of course we want something to contain it, so I found this little storage bag that I had somewhere. So I'm going to ask him if he wants to either put his winter clothes in there or, you know, his jackets and stuff. I did manage to put some of his winter jackets just hung up on there, so not on the tension rod but actually in the closet board by itself on some of these hooks. See, the jackets were there and I just hung up. So this was right here, you guys, and I hung up some jackets on it and it fell down. So it's the same thing with the tension rod. So I'm going to see what he wants to do there, and then basically we are going to go through all of this tonight, decide what we're going to do with them, and then I'll tackle the room one more time. All right guys, so Adam came home, and even though I just told you guys that I was going to postpone until the next day to finish up, Adam came home, saw the mess, and he could not handle it. So he was all on board to sort out the stuff that I had separated for him to go through. So that is what he will be doing right now. He'll be sorting through some of his clothes and all of his books and other miscellaneous items that I just did not know where they belong. So we'll be doing that, and then we'll actually end decluttering in part 1, but then we will organize and do the final touches in part 2 of the video, as well as decluttering my own office, because I do plan on sharing my office space with the new baby that is on his way, and a little work needs to get done in there, so we can organize a little space for him inside there. So that's what we'll be doing in part 2. So if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe now so that you do not miss that video.
I had a feeling you'd come back and save me from all those lonely nights and heartbreaks. And I feel misplaced without you. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Never wanted to end it like we did. I guess shit happens for a reason, but it's like something feels different from back then. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Honestly, I'm open wide. I don't feel like waking up without you by my side. I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to your bedroom? I had a feeling you'd come back and save me from all my slip-ups and mistakes. That I couldn't keep, but it's like something feels different from back then. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Honestly, I'm open wide. I don't feel like waking up without you by my side. I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to your bedroom?
Adam was definitely having a hard time parting with some of his books, especially his Japanese books, because before I came to Japan to join him, I guess he was spending a lot of his time studying Japanese, which paid off because Adam's Japanese is actually good, and I rely on him very, very heavily to get by in this country. But we ended up deciding to gift some friends that were also interested in learning Japanese the books, so at least they did not end up going into the garbage, and they were gifted to a new home.
Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Honestly, I'm open wide. I don't feel like waking up without you by my side. I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to your bedroom?
Adam is also an author. In case you're new and you did not know, he has written 4 books to date. If you're interested in any of them, the link is always in my description down below. Underneath shop my Amazon stuff, I have a category there with all of the recommended books, and Adam's books are listed under there. 2 books are fantasy, 1 is an educational book, and then the other is just documenting the experience of a Jamaican living in Japan.
Made you that I couldn't keep, but it's like something feels different from back then. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Honestly, I'm open wide. I don't feel like waking up without you by my side. I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to your bed?
Good job, Adam. Guys, the box is empty. Adam did such a good job. This is how much we have decluttered Adam's office. This is crazy. Finishing up the organization of his clothes, Adam is deciding where his jackets are going to go. We ended up moving the baby stroller out of the office entirely and putting it in my office, since that is where the baby stuff is going to be. And then in the last few minutes of this video, we are just going to be clearing out all of the garbage that we accumulated in today's declutter, and then that will be the end of part 1 of this video. But like I said, part 2 is going to be coming up shortly, so subscribe if you haven't yet so you do not miss that video where we go into my office to declutter and create a space for our new baby that is coming so soon.
You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night, and when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night.
Adam, miss me poop.
Maybe you put on a notice. Okay, there sometimes.
My goodness.
On the shirt and on the top. Wash please.
You guys, first, not first world country problems, but just the problems when you have particular clothes to wash plate in, because you know you wash plate with bleach and you wash plate with, you know, just stuff that might just burn out your regular clothes. Adam has his specific wash plate shirt. For example, look at this shirt. I don't know if you can see all of the bleach spots in it, like the little white spots. Those are just bleach when we're washing dishes. So all of you guys with dishwashers at home, say a prayer of thanks, okay? Because we're on the other side and it's not cute. It's not cute. You guys, this balloon has confetti in it from when we were doing our gender reveal. I am not in the mood to clean up any more mess, so put it in a garbage bag and then we pop it. So all of the confetti remains in the bag. Just like that. Yeah, about 2 flew out. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and watching my video today, and I will see you next time in a brand new video. Bye guys.